welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go through and do a walkthrough of the little mini album that I made for the design team project using Simple Stories Hello Today. This is a mini album that is 7 1/4. Well, the cover, I should say, the cover is 7 by 5 inches. And it is 6 pages. It's made for the calendar portion. So front, I put on here 24/7, enjoying the moment. And I punched out with one of my punches the flowers and just laid them up. And I ripped up a couple of the pages that I had left over to do some decoration. I put a couple of the little hearts that I have from the extra, this is called the foam stickers. And I did use some of the stickers that came in the package as well. And again, this is from the Hello Today collection. And let's get going. So I did use one of the cards that came in the collection, and I cut out the heart here and popped it up on some little pieces of chipboard underneath there. And then the front cover on the inside, I made a little angled pocket here and just put a couple of the pages, let's see, the cut apart pages in here so I can do some journaling left over. I just did this a little booklet type of thing. So I just put some mix of things in there. And then this is the first page. So the pages are all the same. They all have a spot where you can put a 4x6 onto it. And then you have a flap here for the 2x3 cards. I put a pocket on the front of the flap so that I could put the calendar in some way on each of these flaps, whether it be on the outside or on the inside of that flap. But I made that flap into a side pocket as well, so I could have another opportunity for a photograph here. Now this isn't going to hold a whole lot of photos because of the way that I did it for journaling and photographs, but you could do it so that you have, you know, base sheets that have more spots for photos, or if you like the look of putting photographs right on top of the pages, you could do that as well. So this is the way I have done the inside. I used the 4x6 off of the cut aparts page, and then I just used a couple decorations from scrap pieces in order to liven up, a little bit with some additional color detail. So this page, I've also used the Graphic 45, the little ATC cards, and went ahead and used a little sticker on there. And so all of them have a plain back, whether it's a white part of the white paper cardstock or this goldenrod cardstock. But you can see how I used that calendar page, and then I used some of the seam binding on here, which I think looks very cute. And then the pages also have a pull-out, and I use stickers from the sticker collection on there. And the back all has just white cardstock on it. So all of those are going to be the same. I'm not going to pull all those out, but I will flip to the next one. So that was January. So on the back side, I have a pocket for February. So I put my calendar here on the front pocket, and then I again put some of the cut aparts here. And then I've used an additional tag, you see. And then I did this one like a booklet. So that is February. Then I have March. So March has another flap here. And then we open it up, and I put the tag on the inside. You can see that. I did a little bit of decorating here. I made a little banner flag. Then I have April. So April has this pocket again, so you can kind of see how it continues to rotate. The larger horizontal pocket on the back side of each page, and then the front little flap on the front side with a pocket. So here's another of the cut aparts, and this is where I put the calendar this time. And again, I made a little booklet out of 2 of those 2x3 cards, or I'm sorry, 3x4 cards. And then here's your little tag. And I just layered up some of that seam binding. See, I used 3 different colors, and I like the way it looks, tattered like this. So I'm leaving it. I think it's a good juxtaposition to the clean design of the paper itself. So this is May. Here's the May, and then I cut apart. This comes on the top of the card, and I just cut it off, and then tucked it in here a little bit, and then popped these up on top of that pocket. So this is that tag. This is the inside, and I just layered on top and cut that out. This is a good place for a couple of photos from each month. Here's the June. Isn't that cute? And see, I used some of these puffy stickers that I had left over. Here's July. And then I put another pocket inside just to break that one up instead of on the outside. It's a little different look. Here's the horizontal pocket again. You can see this is the August. So August is here. We have September. And this is one of those 3x4s, and I just cut it apart so because this is the pocket, so you see the full look of that card when you take the tag out. I got September here, and now I fussy cut around the stack of books here, and another one of these books, and just tucked it underneath a little bit. Here's October. So again, one of the cut aparts, and here's one of the tags, and I used some of the puffy stickers, and this is my birthday month, so that'll be fun. Then you have November here. I just put another one of those cut aparts and rounded the corners. Made another little banner. There's November. See, all these are pullouts. So it gives you the extra space for photographs. And then here's December. So the way I do this is just make all of the pages first and then do all the decorating second. And then here's a couple of the extra cut aparts that I have. And I used some of the foam stickers here again and made this pocket. Now with my leftover paper, I did not have a page that was long enough to cover this pocket here. So I pulled out the scraps and I just paper pieced it together in order to give it this look. And I think it turned out pretty well. Pretty nice. So that is my little project, and here's the back side. See, same thing again. I pieced this together. I cut out one white piece that was large enough for what I wanted to cover on the back side, and then I paper pieced things together and made it look a little bit like a patchwork. So that is my book. That's my little mini album, and I hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.